Hello, my name is Glenda Castillo and I want to share with you today the unboxing of the Colored case for pencils, pens, and art supplies. I just bought my case a few days ago and today I will be adding to it my art supplies that are necessary for a short trip by plane or when I am somehow limited by space. Let's open the box first. Hard, but at the same time a little bit flexible. Okay, open. Here I can see it has a zipper. This is for pens, and this is one elastic, another elastic here, and a little pocket here. This is a small koi pocket filled sketch box from Sakura. Let me see if the big one fit. The big one fits here fine too, but this is too heavy for me now, so the small one would be fine. Perfect. It's great. Now I usually carry these small pieces of paper, different kind of paper like watercolors or just writing, and this is just a piece of chipboard with a clip. So let's see if this will fit here. Let me see how big is this pocket here. This would fit a 4.5 wide notebook by 7. I have 2 metallic pens. Let me put them here. I have 2 micron. One is 0.2 and the other one is 0.1. One is black and the other one is brown. I take advantage to put some washi tape in my pens too. I have a pencil, mechanical pencil. I have a pen with different colors of ink. They all fit well. On the other side, I can put a brush. This is a double tip brush. One is gray and the other one is black. Very convenient to have something like that. Let me see if a tumble would fit here. Yeah, would be fine. And here also, in this area here. This ruler that can fit here. I also have this template that also can fit here. If you do color pencils, watercolor pencils, you can bring some, and I like to combine with just regular color pencils. This time I'm going to bring this like crayons. They are pretty good. Okay, let me see if this box can fit here. I see that it doesn't. So I have to find something smaller. My current dash box for watercolor pencils. See, this one is really nice because they have like 2 colors in one. So with 10 pencils, I have 20 pencils, and also comes with a water brush. So this one will fit here, I hope. Yes, that is white Posca I can put here. A mini mister that I can maybe put here that has a sharpener and some an eraser. Maybe this one can come here. Here I have some like a toothbrush and other things that I use for effects in watercolors, like this sponge. Maybe this one can go here too. I have some ink, some washi tape that I can put here. And a little brush. I have another brush, but this brush can go here. And so I have also another template for lines. It's very useful. And go here. You see, I will have a little bit of trouble closing it, but it closes. It closes fine. It bulges a little bit here. I can carry this. Hi, I just wanted to give you an update of my setup. I changed the Sakura pocket bags watercolor here instead of here, and here I put the pencils and the Posca pen and the mini mister. Here I have some watercolor brushes, and I added all my other stuff here. Making those adjustments, it closes fine with no problem. The other thing that I bring to my trips is my notebook, and I can add this in the carrying case, and no, it would be just a little bit more difficult to close, but not too much. Okay, that's the way that I work. I bring my notebook with smaller signatures, not the whole book. Then I bind them together. And also want to mention that I bring some tracing paper and some carbon paper. All right, I hope that this was helpful for you. Take care. Goodbye.